Press, ladies and gentlemen, very good afternoon. First of all, and very specifically, I had the honor to present to the Federal Executive Council today a memo seeking the ratification of approval of the membership of Nigeria to the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank as a non-regional member. Clearly, it's an Asia headquartered bank with the key members from Asia, but they do have members from other regions, and I think it was around 2021, Nigeria was invited to become a member, and we completed that formal, legal, and administrative process, including payment for the shares. We've concluded that process now, and we are fully fledged members of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, of course, which is set up to promote infrastructure development and generally sustained economic growth in all its members. More broadly today, His Excellency, Mr. President, did, as usual, express continued determination and commitment to the ongoing macroeconomic reforms, which, as he rightly said, have shown signs, very, very encouraging signs of the economy turning the corner. And in objective terms, and yes, we are just back from the World Bank, IMF spring meetings in Washington, D.C. And during the course of those meetings, the affirmation that Nigeria is on the right track came even before from Fitch, which, as you know, moved the credit rating of Nigeria from B- to B, with a positive outlook. Secondly, the Article 4 consultations, which is a statutory consultation with the IMF and its member countries, also expressed the fact that it is the resilience that has been created by the macroeconomic reforms that stabilize the economy that have allowed us to cope with the recent introduction of reciprocal tariffs in America and the turbulence that has caused. And likewise, also at the World Bank annual meetings themselves, many leading financiers, leaders, and even the multilateral institutions themselves expressed commendation and encouragement and support, which is critical because these institutions have the cheapest funds available in the world, the multilateral ones. They express support for the ongoing reforms, which is encouraging. And of course now the economy and the administration of President Bola Ahmed TINUBU is committed to going beyond stabilizing the economy to achieve rapid, sustained, inclusive growth that will help lift Nigerians in their millions out of poverty. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister of Works,